trail, but it's sprinkling a bit, maybe more than a sprinkle, a light rain. So I don't know how this is gonna be for the trail, but we'll just have to see. That is something you don't see every day. It looks really nasty. And I mean, really nasty. But here's the trail. Top of the trail, as we drop in. Oh, it's wet. It is wet. It is slick as heck. Actually, I have to brake in this turn. Had a detour from them. Let's try that again. Back to the top. I'm gonna try to hit a little jump that I've never actually gone over before. But I know that last time wasn't a very good camera view, but let's go. Let's hit the jump. Oh, that was nothing. Okay, I have to redo that. I have to get so much more speed. That was so slow. Whoa. Look at that monster of a cloud. See what I'm talking about? You know the one there? Jeez. Okay, let's get a lot more speed this time. Now that I know it's not too bad. Oh, son of a gun. Here we go. Epic fail. Try this one more time. Just one. Hit that. Now speed, come on. It's definitely a lot slicker than normal. Gotta go with squirrels. Look at the skid marks. I found a little steep drop off. Then I'm gonna try to hit with the most speed as possible. If I can pull the turn and complete that. And I missed the turn. Here was the turn, but let's try to get that again. I came back to do one thing, and that was to full send the jump into this turn, go over it, hit the big jump, avoid the massive log, go down, speed run on through, go as fast as I can when it's wet and I'm going over huge tree stumps. Heck yes! Think I can do it with even more speed this time? Let's find out. Guess not, guys. Thunder means I gotta go back. Maybe I can come here tomorrow or something. So, there is a bunch of thunder. And I can't really tell where it's coming from. But I was just over there. About where, I'll show you. There's a tower, which is right, a flashing tower. And that's where the bike trail was. That flashing tower. So I'm going out on the road. So all of that, I was under. Bunch of storms. Lightning and everything. Whoa.